I did not start my bike for more than 10 days since the time I bought my car, and the battery is dead. I'll show you. The meter is lighting up, but the voltage it shows as 9.1 volts, which is actually too less to start. And when I crank the motorcycle, nothing happens. Even the meter console goes off. So this is an issue which has been with my Aprilia. Previously also, when I went out of station for 3 weeks, the battery was completely dead. This time within just 1 week, 10 days, and the battery is dead again. It is not completely dead, but it is not having enough charge to start my RS457. Hence I have opened the battery. I have connected jumper cables to my MGZS EV, and then I'm going to connect to the positive and negative terminal and crank this motorcycle. This is definitely Aprilia India should work on. Multiple customers have reported the same issue, and it is happening with my bike also. It doesn't happen when I ride it every day or if I take it out within 2 to 3 days, but if I park it anything more than a week, and it does not start. So let's connect the wire cables from my car to the bike and crank her up. ये बटन दबाना छोटू, ये रेड बटन, हाँ प्रेस करो, प्रेस करके रखो. Yeah, the bike has started. छोड़ दो. So the bike has started. Now I'm going to remove the cables. It shows 14 volts, but if I switch it off right now, again it will go off. And this kid has helped me to crank the motorcycle because I was holding the positive and negative terminals. So this is the low voltage battery. This is not the high voltage battery of my EV. It's the low voltage battery. I have connected 2 welding cables which I have at home, and then I connect it to my bike to self-start it. Now I'll take it out. I'll ride it on the highway. I'll make sure not to switch it off at least for next 10 to 15 kilometers, and then I'll be good with the battery charge. So many kids have come here. Haan, charging car. So the battery is on charge right now because the vehicle is running. Let's go on a ride after a very long time, probably more than 10 days that I haven't been riding this motorcycle. So it's time to take it out. Oh my god, the feeling of this bike is really different. I have to make sure that I don't stall the motorcycle, or else within 20 kilometers if it stops, it's not gonna crank again because the bike hasn't gained enough charge. The battery is still low. On the dash it shows 14 volts because it is charging right now, but if I switch it off again it will drop to 10 volts, and anything less than 11 volts itself is not gonna work. So as I told, right, this has been an issue with multiple RS457 owners. I've heard that they have changed rectifiers, they have changed the batteries, but even after that multiple owners have got it. I did not go for any battery change or the rectifier change on this motorcycle because I usually used to ride it every week or most probably every day. Now that I have bought a new car, I'm using my electric car. That's when the RS457 usage has reduced. So what I'm planning is probably I'll upgrade the battery. So this battery which comes with the motorcycle, it is not that powerful, so I'm planning to upgrade my battery to a powerful battery within the same size. So I'm still searching the market. Whenever I get that, I'll make a video on that also, because if I don't ride it every day, again it's going to be hectic to connect the cable and then jump start it. But yeah, this is the alternate that I follow, and you can also follow. If your battery is dead, you can connect to any car. It can be a petrol car, it can be a diesel car. It's that it just has to be connected to a battery and then it will start working. So right now, enough of talking. Let's take the RS for a ride. And to be frank, from last 1 month I haven't ridden this bike a lot. Still it has done around 29,000 kilometers, and now it is not going to clock a lot of kilometers because I'm not using this bike every day to go to office. So it will just be a weekend rider, that's it. For my daily commutes to office, I take the outer ring road. I travel on my ZS EV. So this bike is going to be my weekend companion, that's it. And I'll monitor it for 4 to 6 months. I'll see how my usage is. The only reason why I was not upgrading my motorcycle previously was I had to commute on the bike, and anything above sub 500cc is not practical in the city. But now I don't have to use it in the city, hence I can upgrade my motorcycle technically if I just have to use it on the weekends. But let's see what all options do I have. It's a big decision, it will take time, but that definitely on the cards. Why is there so much traffic? It's Sunday morning, not morning, it's Sunday afternoon, 1:12 p.m. I'm just waiting to twist the throttle on this bike. It's been so long. Let's go. Woohoo! Every time I twist the throttle, it feels so much encouraging. This is the fun you can have on a sub 500cc Super Sport. It has done 30,000 kilometers, still it feels fresh. It has that grunt. Let's take a right turn. I just want to take the service lane. I'm wantedly riding it fast so that the battery gets little charged. The more higher the RPMs, the faster it will charge. That's how the dynamo works. I think I'll close the video here. Do give it a thumbs up if you're liking the content I'm making, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it is free for you, but it definitely helps me a lot. And also follow me on Instagram. My Insta ID is Prakash17. And if you want to see any type of videos on the ZS EV, newly bought ZS EV, then I can make that as well. But for that, I'll need your comments in the comment section down below. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, there's an offer going on the AOC devices. Right now you can get 28% discount on all AOC products using my code PrakashSuraj28. And this is a limited period offer. You will get the link for purchasing the products in the description section. And if you want to see the reviews of the C3 Pro, C6 Pro, or the AOC BX, which is currently installed on my motorcycle, you can check out the description section below. All the video links are mentioned over there. So with that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.